My name is Wagar Ahmed and I'm working with CNPC BGP for the last 23 years. This is the 23rd Dragon Boat Festival I am celebrating in the company. I know that the Dragon Boat Festival is a traditional festival in China. It commemorates the great poet Xu Yuan in ancient China. I also like Chinese culture very much. I am fascinated by its long history, profoundness, openness, and tolerance. Our Chinese colleagues often invite us and family to taste Chinese food they made. We also share traditional Pakistani food with them. They like learning about our culture and celebrate our country's festivals with us. Gradually, my daughter fell in love with Chinese culture deeply and she dreamed of becoming an ambassador of cultural exchange between the two countries.